How to change thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, you want to go ahead and open any browser in your PC and then in the search bar search for youtube.com. Once you search for it, go ahead and tap on your profile icon, then tap on YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, you want to go ahead and tap on Content. And inside Content, you want to go ahead and select your short video. Then tap on this detailed icon, and just like that, inside Video Details, scroll below, then you will be able to find Thumbnail option. Go ahead and tap on Upload File, and then select your thumbnail from your computer, then tap on Open. And just like so, once the changes are made, you can go ahead and tap on Save. And just like that, if the video is vertical under 60 seconds and tilted right, YouTube will treat it as a short and you can add a thumbnail with this method. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.